Hi there! In this Affiliate BuzzX review, I'm going to show you a system that can help you start earning daily affiliate commissions even if you're a total beginner. Stick around because I'll also walk you through all the upgrades so you'll know exactly what you're getting before making a decision. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Kamal, an experienced six-figure affiliate marketer with over 5 years in the industry. I make these reviews to help you find the best tools and strategies to boost your online income. If that sounds good, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and tap the bell notification so you never miss an update. Oh, and before we dive in, I've got some exclusive bonuses for you if you decide to grab Affiliate BuzzX through my link below. Check the description for details. You don't want to miss them. So, what is Affiliate BuzzX? It's a step-by-step course designed to help you make affiliate commissions fast, even if you're just starting out. The system is super beginner-friendly, so no tech skills or prior experience are needed. With Affiliate BuzzX, you'll learn exactly how to automate your affiliate business and start generating daily commissions. Here's the best part. You won't need to buy expensive tools or pay for ads. The course includes free, newbie-friendly traffic methods that will help you reach real buyers. What's cool about this system? It's all laid out for you in easy-to-follow video tutorials. You'll get to see exactly how top affiliates are making daily commissions, and how you can do it too. The system works on autopilot once you set it up, meaning your affiliate business keeps running even when you're not working. Now, I want to be honest with you. Affiliate BuzzX isn't a magic tool that will make you rich overnight. It's a proven system that shows you exactly how to generate affiliate commissions, but you still have to put in the work to make it work for you. Here are some standout features of Affiliate BuzzX that I think you'll love. Step-by-step guides. Clear video tutorials walking you through every step. Automated systems. Learn how to set up a business that generates commissions while you sleep. No expensive tools. You don't need to break the bank. Everything you need is affordable or free. Free traffic methods. Learn how to drive targeted traffic to your affiliate offers without paying for ads. How does it work? It's pretty straightforward. Log in and set up your affiliate business. Follow the step-by-step guides to configure your systems. Drive traffic and start seeing commissions rolling in. It's simple, and no technical skills are required. So, what do I like about Affiliate BuzzX? It's perfect for beginners. The step-by-step training makes it easy to follow. You can create multiple income streams by promoting affiliate products or using them as bonuses. What could be improved? Well, if you're looking to create highly advanced systems or super complex funnels, this may not be the best tool for you. But if you want a simple, automated system that gets you results, this course is spot on. If you're looking for an affordable way to start making daily commissions with affiliate marketing, Affiliate BuzzX is definitely worth checking out. Grab it through my link below, and don't forget to claim your exclusive bonuses. They're waiting for you inside. Thanks for watching my Affiliate BuzzX review. If you found this helpful, give it a like and make sure to subscribe for more honest reviews and tips. See you in the next video.